Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a review, and well, I can't really say a first impression because I already used it on my eyes. But anyway, so we're going to review on the Rose Slush II palette. Okay, so y'all already know I love Slush 1. I have used it in every tutorial ever since I got it. Okay, so now we have Slush 2. I'm so excited about this. Just to let you know, I already love it. Okay. So this what the palette looks like. It's honestly like a mini version of Slush 1, a little bit somewhat kind of. Like they're different but very similar. Okay. You know what I'm doing? Probably, I don't know. I ain't put no date on it. I'm not gonna do that. But I'm doing a comparison between two. Like do one eye with Slush 1 and the other eye with Slush 2. Yeah, I think that'd be real cool. So we can do that. But yeah, if you want to see the look I got with this palette and how I like it. Because I already love it and telling you now. Okay. So yeah. And don't forget you use my code KEAIRA so you should money on this. Okay. Okay, so first we're going to go into the orange row and we're going to take Tequila Sunrise, which is that lightish, I guess that's orange. That's what I'm calling it, okay? And then we're going to take Frozen Sangria, okay? And I already have my eye prime with concealer, and I used the Juvia's Place concealer today. And this palette is very pigmented, just like the rest of their palettes, okay? See, that's okay. And this one is Tequila Sunrise. Okay, the pigmentation, like they never fail me. Like I don't know what they be over there doing in the UK with their palettes and their shadows and whatnot, but why are all their products so bomb? Like the US needs to step up, okay? Okay, and I'm just gonna blend this all over the eye. And this color is so pretty. Okay, then next we're going into Frozen Sangria, which is like a burnt orangish brown color. Okay. I've never had a sangria before, but they offer them at my nail shop, and they always ask me do I want to drink when I get my nails done. And I'd be tempted to, but knowing me, liquor puts me to sleep, okay? So that wouldn't really be a good idea. Like me and my sister went to lunch over the weekend, and oh my goodness, I had a Long Island. I don't normally drink those. I usually get a margarita or something like that and call it a day. But I got a Long Island, and oh my goodness, I swear I had a hangover for 2 days. The only thing that really got me back to normal was drinking hot tea. I said, I can't deal with those. No. That was Saturday, yeah. And Sunday, I was like, I kind of slept the whole day. Terrible. And I am building up the color because they are pigmented, and I don't want to put too much. So I'm kind of taking a little bit at a time and packing it in. Okay, so next we're going to go into the pink row and take Triple Berry and Red Wine. And I am going to mix these two colors together. And pop that right in the crease. I was telling my Instagram, I did a PR unboxing on my Instagram little stories. Okay, so you don't follow me on Instagram, do that, Makeup by KEAIRA. And I was telling them how I love this palette because like if you're new to makeup, the way they have the colors put in order, it's the work is already done for you. All you gotta do is put it on your eyes. I know a lot of people have trouble, I don't know what colors to put together, but with a lot of palettes, if you look at them enough, They kind of already have the color combos picked out for you. Okay. And this is one of those palettes. Because you got your pink roll, your orange, yellows and greens, your blues and purples. Okay. Make it real simple for you. Okay, so I'm going to go into the purple roll and take Purple Poison. Okay, and it's like a really deep purple. Okay, so I already went ahead and cut my crease. So for the lid, we're going to take White Diamonds from Jlarue. It's like a silver version of white gold. Okay, so we're going to take both of those and place it like in the corner section almost. Okay, so White Diamonds is going first, and it is silver. And then it has like a little, like hints of other colors in it. It's like iridescent almost. That's what I would call it. And I'm going to bring it halfway to right there. And then let's take white gold. Okay, and then the rest of the lid is going to be matte. So I'm going to go back into the purple, which is Purple Poison. Okay, then we're going to go back into Triple Berry. Okay, then they have like a, almost a hot pink in here. It's called Pink Mojito. And I am going to place that on top of the Triple Berry. Okay, then go into Tequila Sunrise, which is the first color I use. Okay, then you want to go back and forth between your shades to get that blend from transitions to each color. Okay, so I'm doing a wing today for once. Yeah, I know I do not do wings anymore. I used to, and for some reason I got out of it. Just, I feel like every look does not need a wing liner. Okay, that's where I'm at right now. So yeah, that's why I did one. But I decided to do one day because I wanted to use 2 liners. So we're going to use, but I always use, okay, so the NYX Matte liquid liner. Okay, the black one. Then we'll take the green one. It's a Vivid Brights in Escape. And then this pink one is called Petal. Okay, so I'm gonna do the wing in black and then put a green line on top. Okay, and then underneath it is going to be pink. Like you will see it a little bit, but not really much. I know it's there. Okay, that's all that matters. Also, doing wings takes a lot. I mean, a lot. That's another reason why I stopped doing them, and it was stressing me out. Okay, so going into Escape now, the green one. Okay, then we're going to take Petal and put it underneath. Okay, now we're done. You know, like I love doing cute creative stuff like this, but the whole process of it is just real tiring. Okay. Okay, so I went ahead and finished the rest of my face. Well, I did my under eye and then my inner corner highlight. For my under eye, the only thing I did was reverse the colors, and then I put white shadow in the inner corner. Okay. And now we're just going to highlight and finish off this review. And I'm using the Juvia's Place loose highlighter in Nefertiti as usual. Okay. So I know I was gone for a minute again. I just been uninspired. Like I just been creatively uninspired to do makeup. Okay. And usually when I get like that, it's because I need some new makeup. So that's what I did. So I did a little makeup shopping and I got some PR. So yeah, I used some new palettes today and the creative juices are back flowing.